So in the previous video we have talked about drawing with layers. Now in this chapter we will learn about text and hatches. So let's start our video module with plain text. So we often need to write something. In this video we will learn more about entering text in order to get a drawing started with single line text. So in order to make a single line text, you either need to type the command equivalent for single line text as text, or go to Annotate tab and click on this flyout and select single line. Now the command specifies you to pick up the start point of text. So let's click here. Now you need to specify height. To specify height, you can do it manually by moving your cursor in the direction and specifying and clicking, and by clicking when the desired height has been obtained. Like, let's assume that this is our desired height, then you can click it here and specify your text height. Or you can do it by going to this command and entering the height. So let's type 5 inches and press enter. In order to make a single line text, you need to either go to the Annotate tab and click on this flyout button and select single line, or you can type the command equivalent of single line text as text. Now when the text command has been typed or entered, the command specifies to the command asks to start. Command asks to specify start point. So let's click our start point or the initial point. Now you need to specify the text height as well. Now you can do it in two manners. You can either click on your desired height by moving the cursor and clicking when your desired height has been obtained, like this. And now you need to specify text rotation. So let's specify our text rotation as 0 degree or in the direction of east. Let's type WINDO window 1 to indicate that this is the window of type 1. Let's click on the other point and type TY and press enter and enter. So to exit the single line command, you need to type a double entry. So let's specify the text point and the height in similar manner and the degree of rotation. Now you can type any word. Let's type window 2, and you can now, in order to exit this command or this line command, you need to type enter twice. Enter and enter for second time. So let's delete this window 2 and type for now. Now the second method of creating a single line text is by clicking at the start point and not by specifying the height with the help of cursor, but with the help of digit. So let's type 7 and press enter. Now specify the degree of rotation. Now let's suppose I would like to write the text in this direction in 45 degree. Then let's type 45 and press enter. Now you can see that the starting of the word or this blink is showing that the word which we will type will be in 45 degree. Now you can see that that word which we will type will be inclined at an angle of 45 degree. So let's type our word window window 1 and press enter twice. Now you can see that we have typed word according to the text height which is specified by the user in numbers and the angle of rotation as well. So let's suppose that we will like to edit these text. So let's delete this window 1 which is located in the down side for now, and to enter into the editing mode you need to click twice in the text. So let's do it. Click twice. Now you can see that we have entered into the editing mode, and now you can select the word which you would like to edit. So let's suppose that we would like to write this in uppercase. Now let's write window. Now as you have finished, you can click anywhere outside this window, or obviously you can type enter twice. So let's click anywhere outside and exit the command. Now as you have seen that we have typed this window and it has certain properties. Now the properties can be seen here in the annotate tab. Its style, its width, length. So we can change the properties of this single line text with the help of properties palette. So to access the property palette you need to click on the text and click option and go to property. Now this has opened properties palette. Now you can access color, layer, line type scale, thickness, and many more. So we know that there has been certain properties assigned to these single line text. Now we can access those properties with the help of properties palette. Now to open up the properties palette, let's select these text and click option and go to properties. Now you can see that the properties palette is opened and it has been docked on this side. Now let's assume that we would like to change the height. So let's click on this height bar and select 2 instead of 1 feet and press enter. Now you have seen that the height of the text has now become 2 feet and 2 inches. Now if you like to change the rotation angle, then you can type your desired rotation angle as well. Let's type 45 and press enter. Now if you would like to make these individual letters oblique, then you can also do that with the help of obliquing. Let's type an angle of 15 degrees and press enter. So here you can see that these letters has been obliqued at an angle of 15 degree with respect to y-axis. positive y-axis. So it has been obliqued at 15 degrees with respect to positive y-axis. Now you can also change the width factor, and it increases the width between each letters. So in this way you can create single line text and modify its property with the help of properties palette in AutoCAD.